troubleshoot of commonly faced problems like condenser fan motor failure, corrosion, etc.
Hello, my name is Jared. I hope you all are excited for today's session. In this module, we are going to learn to troubleshoot and repair a defective condenser fan motor in a water cooler. At the end of this exercise, you will be able to identify the defects in water cooler, analyze the proper cause for the defects, repair or replace defective parts or components and test run. Now, let us take a look at the equipment, materials and tools required to do this exercise.
Tools or instruments required to do this exercise are Trainees Toolkit 1 set, Screwdriver 300 mm 1 number, Hand air blower 1 number, Combination plier 1 number, Tong tester 1 number, Hammer 1 number, Double-ended spanner 1 set. Equipment required: gas welding set with cylinder key 1 set, water cooler with defect condenser 1 number. Materials needed: compressor oil 2 liters, cotton waste, soap water 1 liter. A condenser serves as a cooling system or heat dissipation device, essential for converting heated water into a condensed liquid. This process involves transforming high pressure and high temperature vapor to a liquid state. This removed heat is called latent heat of condensation. Often, a combination of air and water is utilized as the cooling medium. In such systems, air-cooled condensers employ air as the external medium for dissipating heat from the system. These condensers feature copper coils through which water circulates, while a fan mounted on the condenser frame continuously circulates air over the condenser surface. Water dispenser condenser is made of steel wire and a Bundy tube, which is put in the back of the water dispenser as a condenser for the water dispenser. The Bundy tube, also known as the Bundy pipe, is a double-walled low-carbon steel tube produced by rolling a copper-coated steel strip through 720 degrees and then joining the overlapped seam through resistance brazing, a method known as Bundy welding. The function of a water dispenser condenser is to receive the high-pressure gas from the refrigerator compressor and convert this gas to a liquid by transferring the heat to the air by the fan motor. It is an air-cooled condenser. Failure of the condenser in water coolers can result in reduced or no cooling, hence it is essential to replace the condenser. To begin, switch on the unit to verify the reported defect or complaint. Once confirmed, note down the issue in the record sheet. For example, if the problem is related to no cooling, identify and document potential causes. Follow the logical service flow sequence to pinpoint defective components or controls, noting the faults on the corresponding record sheet. Note: before proceeding further, have your instructor review and verify your work. Determine probable causes and propose remedial measures. Get approval from your instructor before proceeding with repairs. In the case of no cooling, the probable cause would be a defective condenser fan motor or the failure of it. Switch off the unit and disconnect the water cooler fan. Once it is out, dismantle the fan by unscrewing the nut that connects the fan blades and the motor component at the back. Screw open the lid or cover that covers the motor inside. Then proceed to clean the dismantled component by using a cleaning solution and wire brush to remove the dirt and corrosion thoroughly. The condenser fins should be cleaned by blowing air over the surface with an air blower. Wipe the parts clean by using a clean cloth. If the motor is worn out, it should be replaced before reassembling the parts. Reassemble the fan and close the lid before conducting another test to confirm its functionality. If the condenser tube is blocked, flush out the condenser tube by nitrogen gas with cleaning acid. Utilize the suggested remedial measures from the troubleshooting manual for other defects. Document the actions taken and any component replaced in the record sheet. After rectifying the fault, test the water cooler to ensure it operates correctly based on the initially reported issue. Upon completing the repair, clean the unit thoroughly. If any additional faults are discovered during troubleshooting and repair, record them in the record sheet and seek guidance from your instructor.
We have come to the end of the exercise. Let us have a recap on what we have learned in this module. We have learned to identify the defects in water cooler, analyze the proper cause for the defects, repair or replace defective parts or components, and test run. Thus, we have learned to troubleshoot commonly faced problems like condenser fan motor failure, corrosion, etc. Do this exercise with the help of your instructor. Thank you.